Let's say you have an Excel document that you want to print, but you don't want to print all of it on multiple pages, or you don't want it to span multiple pages of columns whenever you just want it condensed down. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can select different areas of an Excel document and print it to scale to a single piece of paper. Here's the Excel document that I want to print, but I don't want to print all of this. If I go in and I go to File and Print, you're going to see that it spans multiple pages as well as different columns on different pages. Instead, what we're going to do, we're going to select the data that we want. So for instance, I just want this much data, and then we're going to go to File and Print. From here, right under Settings, we're going to change from Print Active Sheet to Print Selection. And you're going to notice that now we have two pages. However, our columns are still spread across two different pages. Now we can fix this one of two ways. If our data can actually fit on a landscape page, we can change the page orientation to landscape. And sometimes this will work. However, you may notice that it didn't work for me in this instant. Instead, what I'm going to do is go down to the very last drop-down menu and select No Scaling and change that to Fit all columns on one page. Now we have all of our data condensed down to one single page and we're ready to print. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I mean, of course, you don't always have to. There are videos like over there. Oh, that one looks neat.